Today we were working on the 70 Mustang, the GT500 conversion, shaving the drip rails, smoothing all the seams and everything out. Back here you can see I already cut it off, welded it. That's kind of where we're at up front now. We cut it flush to the body, grind it smooth, TIG weld it back together and dress it down to smooth it off. The top is where it gets a little more tricky. Here's the piece I cut out up here. Went this way. We cut that out, grind it flat. Up here it gets tricky because we're getting rid of the body line here too. So I make a panel. After I cut all this out, we'll fit it a lot better. Obviously it was just a rough shape. And then cut the two pieces together and we'll have a nice seam transition to get rid of that. Smooth it off a lot better. Take a whole lot of cleanup work inside here because we're getting rid of the drip rail trim and everything. Keeping a little reveal on there to hide the edge of the window channel and everything.
This is all just cosmetic, right?
Yep.
Just look cool, look clean.
Smooth it off and make it nice. And then we'll be shaving the body seam there too. It's a little rough, but it won't be soon.
Alright.
We'll also eventually be...
Like a door handle there.
Yeah.
What is it?
That is some TIG wire and a washer, so you don't have to reach inside the door to open it up every time. High quality stuff. We will be welding up all the seams, so it'll be a smooth transition in the door jambs as well. Same with the skins of the doors. Kind of like we did on the Charger, it just smooths everything out, gives it a real nice flow into your door jamb. Be seamless.
Little details.
Oh yeah. With the ugly. Now we're just trying to get our filler piece to match the shape we've got here and tie everything back together. A little CP on there. Back this way. So we got our piece fit on the 70 Mustang for shaving the drip rails. What I'll do now is pull this piece back off and I'll make my final cut where I want my ends of my new piece. And then I'll stick it back on there with Clecos and cut the two pieces together. And then we'll TIG weld it in place and trim our bottom line to have our little reveal. Yeah, make it look real nice. We got the back of our new piece sealed up inside there. I'm going to Cleco this back in place. Tim will speed this up so it's not so boring.
What'd you spray?
This is weld through primer.
Oh, okay.
That way it doesn't just burn off when when we weld this in there.
Clicos.
Yeah, gotta love Clicos. Makes it a breeze putting stuff together a million times. So as you can see, I trimmed it. Don't have a whole lot of overhang, no excess material. And then when I start to trim away the bottom piece, you can see I've got little cuts in between there. Do it in sections so the underside will fall away as I go along and tack the new piece in. You might want some safety glasses.
Okay.
Cut out that first section. Well, something to pull it out of there.
So you were just using the metal as like a guide?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. I see.
work its way out there.
I see what you're doing.
So that, pull out that middle section. You still got the rest of it to hold your shape, right? And then I'll go through, pop a couple tack welds in here. Start going along the next section, pop a couple tack welds. Next section, just keep going. And then you can come back and full weld it in. But you want to make sure you get that out of there so you don't actually accidentally weld it in. So yeah, I'll just pop a couple tacks on there.
You're trying to figure out
Where
what
it's
that
all
rattle
flush.
is?
Yeah.
What the hell's that rattle?
And, you
That's
know,
a good idea.
It's always nice to have
Kind of tack it and work
several
its way
different
down.
picks and styles of something to get in there and wiggle the old piece out.
That's a good idea versus like just tracing it and cutting it out and sticking it in the hole.
We're going to go ahead and pop this one back in. Kind of helps hold the piece. You know, it's still held up over here, so, you know, it's just a slow process of working your way around until it all falls into place. That's why you pop a couple tack welds, everything will still have its movement and
Get perfect cuts.
oh yeah. Getting her tacked in place, making sure she feels good. Got all my little sections laid out down there. As I go along, it's kind of how they come out. Got this last section to go and should be ready to finish weld.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more build videos like this, help us out by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. And it's a little thing to do, but don't forget to turn on those notifications. If you want to buy merch, go to store.classiccarstudio.com. See you next time.